Okay everyone, I wanted to do an updated video on my solar system that I installed for those who are wondering. Okay, so we got everything hooked up. All is well. I even hooked up my own electricity, lights and everything. I'm still working on the system a little bit, upgrading the wires and so forth. We have a 3 battery bank. Which these are all 12 volt batteries, and they're Windy Nation 12 volt 100 AH batteries, controller charger, we got our inverter, everything's plugged in. We're at 13.7 volts right now. These batteries are rated at 13.8 is the maximum that you want to go. So they're all fully charged right now to 13.7, 13.8. Everything's good to go. We have a volt reader right here. We have 2 more in order. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set them in the center. We're going to hook them up. When I hook it up, I can see each battery voltage, and right now how we ran the battery, they all charge the same and they discharge the same. And so far we've been able to run everything that I've connected. Now that we've got them charged, they do drop, a little bit. So I'm curious to see how well or how long it would last if we would have many days of no sun at all. I don't know how long it would last, but yeah, as far as my electric bill, I don't quite know yet. We haven't been a full month and I haven't checked, so I'll check once a full month is up. We got everything hooked up, everything's good, so we'll see what the savings is, but it's pretty cool knowing that you have electricity that is free.